Yeah. So these are the pages, and I'm working on a page mode. This is the one. Yeah, the page mode. Sorry about the background noise. My mom is here, so she's on. Page mode. Yeah. So so one scenario I picked is to create a new one, and the other one is to edit, and another one is to delete. Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Jyoti.
We can hear
Okay.
you. Go ahead.
Oh, sorry. So this is what I did. Do you want me to run the code or?
No, show me the scenarios first. I need to see the how
You want to
beautifully
see
you
the-
designed the scenarios.
So this is there were just 3 scenarios. I could pick it up from there, from the payment option. So there was not much. So I did write the 3 scenarios. And yeah.
Wait, you can type Control Alt Enter.
Control Alt Alt. Yeah. Yeah. One time, or you want me to do it continuously?
It's not aligned yet, so just leave it for now. I'll fix it later. Just leave it.
Okay.
The spaces should not be there. You know, like 15, line number 15. It should be.
Line up. Oh yeah, what happened is this background I kept it later because this line was repeated continuously, so I just changed it into the background. So that's the reason you can see some space in between.
Yeah, but line number 15 is not required, right? Take that, delete that line, space.
Oh yeah, I will.
But I can't see examples, Jyoti.
Yeah,
Without
I was also
examples, I
about
don't
to
think
ask the same, like
Yeah.
in the payment, create new payment method, right? So where you're trying to create a new payment, so you can change it to scenario outline and add the examples over there so that you are trying to pass the data directly.
Oh, there was only one line, so I don't have any. I can't make any table out of it. I will show you. That's why I opened this one. So if there is only one name, I need to add this one. That's it.
That's fine. Even though if it
That's the
is one single
reason.
input, you can provide it via example.
Oh, is it? I thought it's there's just one input now. So why create a new one? I just put it. Okay, I will do it. That one.
Because it's the best practice that you like whenever if like for example the
Yeah.
one that you're trying to pass like via hard coded, right? So
Yeah.
if that is not available, right, so then
Yeah.
you have to go back to your code and then redo it. Like for example, if you have written this code and if
Yeah.
you ask someone else like maybe Anu or someone to update it back, so that would be difficult for them, like where exactly you're trying to pass the hard coded value there.
Oh,
And it
even
would
though it's a one, okay, even though it's a one name, I need to make examples, right? Like
yes,
here, because I did made it here, like how Sriram sir did it, with examples. So when I was doing this one, oh, there is nothing to do. So I just put it in like this, but I will do it. It's not an issue. I will do it later. Yeah. So shall I show my step definitions or? Hello?
yeah, please go ahead. I think Sri is also having a look at it parallel.
Oh yeah. So these are the step definitions. Shall I run the code then? And these are the pages which I created. Yeah. Shall I run it and show you?
Yeah. Shri, do you want this one to get triggered back? Do you want to see the execution as well?
I think Sriram sir is not there or something.
And one other thing, Jyoti, like
Yeah.
when you're trying to give the naming conventions, right? Follow the same one like camel case. For example, if you could see in your code, line number 17, you have started
Line
with
number 17.
capitals, and line
Yeah.
number 14, you're using camel case. Yeah. So
Oh
try
yeah,
to,
yeah.
try to follow like in a same sequence.
Sure, Hassan. I am getting so much difficulty because I'm not following the same sequence.
Mhm.
Because when I'm calling it down, then I don't remember whether it was a short and whether it is a camel case. That was a difficulty I faced. So I thought that I need to follow one rule, something like that. Yeah,
Yeah.
I will. Yeah.
Because it will not throw you an error, but whereas like in the organizations they'll have certain standards that they do follow, like even to a specific projects. So we have
Yeah.
to understand like what are the guidelines that they are using implementing there.
Sure.
So that would be
Yeah.
difficult for you back again to liaise along with them. So if you follow something now, so that would be easy for you, like okay, this is how I followed it here, so in this way you can align with the new ones as well.
Yeah, Hassan. Yeah, I will do that. Yeah. So what else scenario I can get it, because sir has said that I need to get with 10 scenarios. So I will take another module if I can't make it from this one. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you need to write the negative test also, if possible. Example, you had not given input pay method and click on submit.
Yeah, I will do negative one here.
Yeah, write that. And we have search option. Go back to the list, payment modes list. Yeah,
There is search
here.
button is missing, but yeah.
Oh, there's no search button.
No.
Oh,
Yeah, I was
interesting.
thinking to raise the button because I can't see the search button. Yeah.
Can you write a scenario? I mean, we'll comment that anyway. But
Yeah.
write that scenario so that such button should be available and make it fail.
Okay, sure.
Okay, that is called BDD. You write a failed scenario and give it to the developer. And once you fix it, don't need to test it. You just run the automation test.
Okay. Okay, sir. I will do it. Yeah.
And
Okay, do that, do this. Yeah.
Sorry, Sriram. So I was just checking, like, do we have any like error message popping up, like if you don't pass any of the data, like during the creation there?
You asking me, Hassan?
Yeah.
Where you mean to say?
Within the payment of methods that you're trying to create there.
I did it manually last time. I don't remember, but I will just quickly do it now and see.
Yeah, if it is something there,
Yeah.
I would ask like to include these items as well.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I will come up with a couple of more scenario in this.
Yeah.
See, I want end of the day 10 scenarios. Okay. If you put 5, 6 also, I want to merge. I want 10 scenarios.
10 scenario out of this one. Just okay, I will try.
Payment module, I need 10 scenarios. If not, take other module. It's okay. Because end of the day, guys, you people have to say that in your interview. You should not say I worked only for payment method. That is my automation module. No. You have to say that the whole admin module you automated. Everything is your, like you have to project that everything is yours. So you can take other modules and automate also.
Yes, sir, I will do that. I was thinking of the same. If I can't do on this, then I will take another module and start doing on it.
Okay, yeah, well done, Jyoti.
Yeah, that's me, sir. Yeah.
Well done. Really good work.
Thank you, sir.
Continue. Okay, who want to go next? Maybe the drop down issue. Guys, please tell me who want to go next. Right? I think 3 to 4 people are waiting. Yutu is waiting, and I think Priya is waiting for the drop down. I think some other people are waiting. So please go ahead and start. Do it.
Hassan sir has given me a link to look into it. So I was just looking at that and I've downloaded Auto ID now. So give me a few minutes. Until then, somebody else can go.
Is that okay, sir, if I share my screen? Priya?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Hello. Hassan, sir?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, can I, do you want me to run this?
No, explain the features first, like the scenarios that you have covered, so that
Okay.
that would be easy to understand, like which scenarios that you are trying to cover out there as part of your test.
Right. Create FAQ.
So where do we have features?
Yeah. Just
So Priya, where are features?
yeah, just a minute, yeah.
Should be on the resource.
Priya, extend the resource one.
Just a
Niche.
minute, yeah.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
Got it, got it.
Is it
got
something that you have forgotten?
Yeah,
last
here,
moment?
sorry. Yeah, this is the one. And where, it's taking that question, it is taking answer, but it is not taking this FAQ type. And last time it was not even taking that FAQ module. It was just taking login and it was working good.
Can you show me the method, please? No, which is present within your step definitions.
Yeah, these are the one. Actually, I just commented these ones because I just wanted to see that it is working good or not. I'll just show you my step definition.
Okay. FAQ lens. Then get new link. Okay. Then, okay, here you're trying to pass the arguments, which is right. Is it 0 or O that you have passed over there?
Yeah, it's 0. Because it was not happening. So then I thought that if I'll pass this, then when I did this one, it started coming.
Can you make it like 1, 2, 3 and see? Because I
Where?
doubt it's
Sorry.
under line number 77. Line number 77.
Yeah.
In the parameters.
Yeah. Do you want me to?
Yeah, check if it
Yeah.
is 0 or 1 or O, because I doubt it's O there.
Okay. No, I think it's the same.
Then leave it as 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Can you try now once, please?
Do I need to give here one
Yes.
or
One. It should be
one?
one, right?
Yeah. And what about this element? It's showing red.
So select web element from where you're picking this element. You have not given any name to that element there.
Right. So do you want me to create a locate?
No,
local variable?
I'm just
No.
trying to understand like from where you're trying to click that,
Here.
because there is something missing in your code there on top of it. So for your select class, which element that
Yeah.
you're trying to select?
The X path which I have given in that
So what is the name of it?
element. Are you talking about this? Just a minute, yeah.
Mhm.
Page. Maybe here I commented out this one.
But
No.
it is just the locator, is it?
Yeah. This one is the locator only.
So I'm just trying to think like what is the name that you have given for that respective element for the selection of it. So why did you use everywhere like the element so that there is no differentiation at all among the names out there?
This is the one which I gave. I think I should change this as well. Okay.
FAQ type 1.
And this is the one I was talking about.
Get FAQ type 1. Okay, so you're calling yeah, so this is a quite confusing one because you have used everywhere just the web element and then the element. You have not given like exact name, different names are there. And now
Mhm.
here you're trying to call it as get FAQ type string argument O. Okay, can you change this to 1 because we have changed there to
Right, yeah.
yeah. Yeah, can you check it now?
Yeah. Again, the element thing has come up. If I go there.
So from where you're calling
what
this?
is-
New select get web element. Can you click on like alt enter and then see like from where you're fetching that element? Delete the element option there.
I think maybe she has to copy that XPath locator on top of 96 line.
Yeah,
Maybe.
because here's the only confusion that is there is like you have used only the name for everything as element. So it's quite tricky to understand like which element that you're trying to get it over here.
I think, I mean, like when she was scrolling up and down, I couldn't see any other, I mean, like method or like with starting with the elements.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is the only one she is trying to do. I couldn't see anyway. I'm just thinking that she has to copy that X path here and pass that element from there to this one. Can she do that X path?
She can do that. Or you can do one thing. Can you create a
Yeah.
variable and pass that
X path.
X path there and call that
Okay.
particular variable here and then see?
Okay, I'll do that and then I'll get back to you
Yeah.
in this column only, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, sure. But you have to remodify this structure that you have used in your step definitions. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Because everywhere you have used the same name, right?
Element, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So that makes little confusing back again.
Confusing, yeah. Yeah. Got your point. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why can't she give the expert straight away here and then do work it out, sir?
Yeah, she can do it.
Yeah. Why don't you copy from page FAQ page? Go to
Yeah.
FAQ page. Yeah. Copy that line 24.
Okay, this XPath you're talking about, yeah,
Yeah,
the same which I showed, yeah.
Yeah, just
Yes.
copy that XPath and update it over there and see like if you're able to get it.
No, above 96.
Yeah,
Line 96. Yeah.
yeah, it's working. Let me run.
So only thing is like earlier it was confused, like it was not able to understand like which element that you're trying to call it over there. So you have to,
But now, yeah, this time it is not even taking that question and answer. Earlier it was taking that question and answer, isn't it?
Mhm.
So why don't you just comment those and run once if it is.
I earlier did that, Vanita, but at that time, it just started doing this one, these two, and it's not taking this one, and rest though active is already there.
So is it not working for FAQ type, and where is it landing? to?
Yeah. It is just landing to, it is done with the question, it is done with the answer, it is not doing this one, and rest it is active already. So there's no point of, but I
Can-
did this as well.
Can you open like in the normal browser and show me the FAQ type? If it is a really a drop down, or if it is a select and
Yeah.
then go there.
Manually show it, sir. How
Yeah,
it
yeah,
is.
I am. Yeah.
No.
This is FAQs.
No.
I went to
Just-
new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go to
And-
network console
then-
and show me the element related to it. Page source.
You want me to show
Not
the
this,
console,
not this, not this.
right?
Same
The
in that
page which
page
I was
only.
showing. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, right
Yeah,
click on it.
sure. Yes. On
Page
FAQ
source.
type. FAQ type में click,
Uh-huh.
click on it.
Yeah.
Can you show me the locator of it, of FAQ type, please? Can you expand that select class? Yeah, expand it, please. Can you scroll down?
Yeah. Oh.
Little up. Can you close this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Select selection 2. So where is the what is this option there? Option tag.
Drop down here.
Okay, so that is present there. So
Yes.
drop down wrapper is present there. Okay, so I think what you have to do is you have to click on FAQ type first.
Right.
Click on it and then select the option that you're trying to identify. One
Okay.
second, let me also see
It
that.
should be okay.
Try in this way. Just click on FAQ type directly first. Okay. And then what are the option that you're trying to select?
And then
right?
select that one,
Yes,
right? Okay.
yes, by using
Okay.
it. This one would work.
Okay.
I guess this we have discussed in the previous session as well, right? Someone have asked me the same thing. I don't remember the name actually.
Yeah, Diksha here. I did.
Okay, so that have worked for you in that way, is it?
I mean, what you said, I could not do it, but I did other cases. I
Mhm.
didn't do what you said. I'll do it today.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so you are saying that first I have to click the way I did now, and then what about that status? It is already showing the active thing. So will that be remain same? And should
So
I go for the click button submit?
click on the status as well, just to understand, like if it is again interrupt. Yeah, you have to perform the same thing.
Okay. Right. So in that case here, I need to write those codes like which
Yes,
I
yes,
inspected, right?
yeah.
Okay. Um, right. So the way I have written here,
Mhm.
do I need to write something? No, no, no. The same way. Right, right. The name, ID name or whatever it is showing, right?
Mhm. 99.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll
Okay.
just do it now. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
sure.
you. Thank you.
Okay, who want to say next, please?
Shall I?
Yeah, Ritu. Yeah, please
Yeah.
go ahead.
Okay, sir. According to this,
Mhm.
the where was it? This one. I followed the steps. I
Mhm.
downloaded Auto IT as well.
Mhm. You
And
have
this,
generated the exe file too.
yes,
Can you show
yes.
me the exe file of Auto 80 once?
So that's upload file exe. So
Okay.
let's click
So,
on it.
mhm.
1 sec.
Yeah, it's just an yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
cool. So when active, send enter. Yeah, that's it. Yes, this one will work.
Hmm.
Mm.
And then it for runtime, that runtime.
Exe,
And then
yeah.
it was giving me error, and therefore
Exception.
I
Yes.
try and catch,
Yes.
but it's not working.
Why it should work? Because this is one of
Yeah.
the options that we can implement if we are trying to use of any files that we try to upload.
This is my first test scenario,
Okay.
and that's the second one. So it goes to brand, but then it fails.
Add brand. Okay. So under the steps, can you show me the actual step that you have implemented there? XPath, where is that?
This one?
No, show me the actual test where you're trying to pass the Auto IT script there. Can you scroll a little down?
Yeah.
So, so where exactly is that step present? Okay, you're trying to click on it. After that, so can you remove out this timeout second there, please? Yeah. And you're trying to, yeah, runtime.exe. So that should work. Invalid argument. Right, one PDT. .exe. Try hitting it now.
Thing is, yeah,
So
so,
it says invalid argument there, right?
here, here. So when we want to go to new, there are only two options: brand name and brand image.
Okay, did you click on browse first?
browse. Yes, I am clicking on browse. I'll show you that. Here, browse image.click.
Okay, so under auto IT, while you are trying to record it, right? So did you take the path from there initially?
File. Initially, it was from here only. Everything I try to say.
No, not this one. Like while you are trying to script in auto IT, right? So there,
Yes.
so my question is like, have you done it like after clicking on browse button?
No, no, I haven't done that.
No, try to do it from there, right?
Okay, so when I click on browse button, I have to
Yeah.
give this
This you
part?
have to, you have to provide this particular window which is opened.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so now what you have to do is like with the help of auto IT,
Yeah.
you are going to I mean like provide all the details like file name here, right? So you're going to provide the path for this
Yes.
particular file name where it is going to identify the image file that you where it is going to land, and then after that you have to also provide the step for clicking on open as well.
Okay, so I have to, like, how will I do that? Step for open.
That's thing I have given you the sample there.
Was it here?
Yeah, it will be there.
It doesn't. This is it. It's not.
Okay, fine. I'll give you some other sample as well along with that
Okay.
one.
Sure. I'll
It's
stop
just an
sharing.
incorporation, like the
Yeah.
command to incorporate it. So they have not given you this auto IT thing. I'll give you that sample.
The open thing. Yeah. All right. I'll try again. And
Yeah.
while we are still on, then I'll come back.
But now you have understood, right? What exactly that you have
I do.
to. Yeah.
Yes,
Good.
I do. Thanks.
Want to go next?
Hi, this is Rupa. Can I share my screen so that I'll show you the issues that I'm facing?
Rupa, have seen your code. Yeah, just go ahead
Yes.
and share, please.
Sure.
There is a lot of refinement that we have to do.
Yes. This is the features file that I have 3 of them. That is, one is for the user account. And the problem I'm having is list view feature. So what happened is only one scenario works and then rest of it is not working.
Okay.
And another problem is when I go to step definition and try to run the whole scenarios, what happened is none of them working. Only the filter banner list with ID works. So I'm getting confused in this one. But even from the step definition, if I run like individually.
No, in each of your scenarios, are you trying to close the page like for after execution of each and every scenario there, or you are just trying to?
In this scenario, ban list view scenario, I haven't closed because there are multiple scenarios going on. So I thought I will just leave that one. So I haven't closed in any of it. So do I have to do that or?
So is it a continuation?
Yeah, this one is continuous for like 1, 2, 3, 4 scenarios.
4
So,
scenarios, and what is the actual functionality there? Like one
view-
is like you're trying to view with the ID. It's
Yes.
everything like you're just trying to view it, right? So there is no point of link between each and every scenario there, correct?
Yes.
So in that case, I would suggest like to add a close option there.
Okay, so after each scenario, I should close.
Yes.
Okay. So basically close the
And also the structure that you have maintained, right? It's
Yeah.
kind of different. I thought of letting you know because I can see like features landing up directly within the test/Java with under the default package, and you don't have the packages separately, and
I have
even the
followed.
resources.
Yeah, I think the first class when we had it with Sriram, so we was directly on the test./Java, and then I think it has changed into resource folder. So there's no issue. I can do that one.
Yeah. So
Yes.
that like everybody are maintaining in the
Yes.
same way, right? So as
Okay.
mentioned by Sriram earlier, so if everybody are maintaining in the same order, that would be easy when we are trying to merge everybody's scenarios into one go,
Sure.
right?
So so I should close the each scenarios.
Yeah.
and,
Just try to close and then see it. Like if you're still getting the issues, then
Okay, no
I
problem.
think we
I'll
can
do
connect
that.
back and see that.
Okay, no problem. I'll do that then. Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Because it's just view that you're trying to see, and I guess you have shown me this one earlier as well, is
Yes, I have shown this last week as well, but
and
last
I
week,
think I have asked you to update something as well apart
yeah,
from.
last time what happened was I have created multiple pages for this whole scenarios. So you
Mhm.
asked me to create the one page object for the one whole scenario feature file. So that's what I did.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yes, that
Yeah.
one I've done, but only the problem is like it wasn't running. So yeah, I will do that. That you have suggestion. So
Mhm.
I will come back to you once I'm done that one.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Who wants to go next? Anyone left?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Sorry. If you want, I can go.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Same last time.
So is there something new that you have created, or is it the same thing?
Same thing.
So if it is the same thing, and if I have provided you already the comments, I guess like would be good if you take something new as well and then get it updated.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So anyone else left out, guys?
So I tried, but it's
Mhm.
again not working. Do you want me to show you show my screen?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Here, I tried with by class name as well, and then I put doctor as well. It's not taking.
No, it should take by class name, get FAQ, send keys. Okay. So 1 second. Can you give me the link, please, of the application that you are using? I'll just
Yeah.
tell you the next part of it. So which page is it exactly? FAQs, is it?
Yes.
Just a second. FAQs create. Yeah. Okay. So after clicking on that, next one. //1 title equal to container. So what is the option that you have used, Priya?
Sorry, which options you are talking about, sir?
The click one, right? So what is the locator that you have used? Is it an XPath or an ID? / select to rendered ID, right? No, I don't think so. That's the accurate XPath there. Please check
Here,
that back again.
ID one?
Yeah.
No, I didn't give this one. I just selected, I think, customer it was or something else.
So it would be the same for even the customer as well.
Okay. So I chose the wrong XPath, right?
Yes, yes.
If I'll select this one,
Mm-hmm.
okay. Why is it not taking? It was a class name, but it's why is it not coming now?
No, you're trying to give something as send case. No, what is it you're trying to achieve here?
I'm just trying to put that class name, right? You said,
Mm-hmm.
do I need to put it here? So no.
So that
it's
should be
not
before
sent
that,
to-
is it?
Right.
So why can't we change the XPath in line number 96? Then if the XPath is wrong,
Yes, exactly. That can be done there.
yeah.
Okay, this XPath can be changed, right?
No, the XPath is wrong. So you need to take out, no, leave everything. Just take out in between that quotations.
Okay,
Yeah. And put the correct XPath.
right. Just a minute.
So what are the element that you're trying to pass here? Is it selecting the same one here? But
No.
no, wait. So here I have asked you to click and then select. So where is the click functionality that you have provided for that?
Not yet, I think.
Yeah.
So do I need to remove this as well? Or
Yeah, take it out that one as well. But line number 96, before that you have to provide the click functionality. I mean like before line number 98, sorry.
sorry?
Before line number 98. So on the same element, right? Just try to provide like
Yeah.
click there. Now why are you calling FAQ back again? Is that respective? Do you have the click functionality in your FAQ page class?
Yes.
Do you have it?
Yes.
Yeah, if you have it, please call it then. So on the same element, is it there?
Yeah.
So you're trying to update that one, Priya?
Yeah, sorry. It's,
So are you updating it?
sir, would that be okay if I'll just do it and then show it to you again? Because I'm a little confused now.
Yeah, that's absolutely
Yeah.
fine. So
Yeah.
what I am trying to say is go back to the application. I'll explain you back so that you do remember these
Yes.
steps there. Yeah. So
Yes.
first you have to click on the FAQ type drop down.
Okay.
Okay. Click on it.
Yeah.
Just maybe wait for maybe 2 seconds or something after clicking on it. Okay. And after
Mhm.
that, select what are the options that you have to choose.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Hmm.
So then it will show the right one, right?
Yes,
If I'll
exactly.
just click and just choose, it won't. I have to wait for a few seconds and then it would be the
No,
one which
I'm
I
just telling
wanted.
to wait so that because during the execution time, if your screen is running very fast and if it is not able to run again, it would throw you like an exception, right? To avoid that, I'm just asking you to wait and see. If it is not coming, then that's fine. You can do it even without wait as well. Okay.
Now it has come, then I have to select and I have to do it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
No problem. And any other queries before we close? I think everybody are clear now, right? Like what you're trying to do, as Sriram mentioned as well, you're supposed to cover the negative scenarios as well on what are the scenarios that you are trying to prepare. Just not only positive, try to implement the negatives as well so that you are able to cover as much test as part of the functionality that you are trying to automate.
Sorry, sir, it's me, Vanita. For negative scenarios, like till now I didn't go for negative scenarios. That's the reason I have to ask.
Yeah.
When we are passing, it will not take, and it comes up as an error. So, in what way can we give that as a positive for negative scenarios to come up with a positive output?
Yeah. So, okay. So you mean like, for example, you're trying to test a negative scenario to identify if it is negative scenario or not, right?
Yes.
That is
Yes.
what your question is, right?
Yes.
So for
Yeah.
example, if you're getting any error message, you can assert the value that is popped up in the error message. Okay. And you can check if that error message is the appropriate one or not. For example, let us say under the name, if it is given, I can enter only alphabets. Okay. And if I enter numbers, right? So it should say me like name field allows only the alphabets. Let us take it as an example. So if it is the appropriate error message, let us say it is showing like for the other field, right? Due to something which was done by developers. And if it does not
So
show
it is
that,
accepting. Instead of taking a phone number, it is accepting alphabets.
yes, you
So
have to
the
identify that element of the error message where it is getting popped up. You have to make sure like, okay, that element is displayed on the page. Once you click on the send the inappropriate data and click on send.
Okay. So assert should be assert true and give that
Error message.
Error message.
Yes.
And then
okay, so that like if you are getting the error message, so you are trying to check it in two ways. One is like, first of all, that element should be displayed. Okay. Second thing is like you're checking after the element is getting displayed, the data present within it is appropriate or not. Okay. So if you don't have the error there, right? So your error message field will not pop up for you. Right? That is how you can cover that scenarios as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other queries, guys?
Sir, I'll wait for instructions on open button, right?
Open button, I'll send you a link where you can see a sample and then you can work on it. Yeah.
Yeah, I will work on it.
Yeah. Yeah. You can just text me.
Okay. Yeah.
because I have an image to upload
Yeah, yeah,
in
I'll
my
send it to
vendor.
you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you guys then. Have a nice time. And
Thank you,
let's meet
sir.
on Wednesday.
Yeah,
Cheers.
thank you. Is it the same time?
Yeah. I'll have to confirm with Sriram if it is. I guess it's the same time, 5 to 7. He just told the same thing, right? Let's have it
Yes.
Monday, Wednesday. Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Sir, sorry, sir. I couldn't find your number in the list. There's no name. If you give me last
That's my
digits,
number. The one which is with dot.
ending 995.
Yes.
All right, then. Thank you.
Yeah. I'll also for the persons who don't have my email ID, I'll just provide you. You can also reach me out or there. Okay. Cool. See you guys then. Have a nice time. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Hassan.
Thank you.
Hope you're going to, I mean, like, you have an access to stop the recording.
I think it would be stopped automatically.
Is it? Oh.
Yeah, I'll stop it now. Yes.